Hi guys, Bouncing Fig here. We are now in Klang and welcome to our rice series because in Malaysia we eat rice with everything. We have rice dishes from every part of Malaysia that you can think of, and today we are going to check out Yap Kee. It is a Chinese coffee shop in Klang. It's been around for almost 100 years if I'm not mistaken, 1923, and they serve banana leaf rice, which is traditionally an Indian dish, and there are many versions of it, so let's check it out. We're gonna check out a little bit of chicken, fish, cabbage and sauce and gravy and the rice. See how it's so special to the people of Klang. The curry is incredibly light. It's not oily. It's not there's not too much sediment of curry powder. This is called a papadum. Usually you have a variety of fresh fish served with banana leaf and fried chicken, etc. So we tried both fish and chicken. You've got to mix it together with the dhal, which is lentils. It gives it a nice mellow taste. The cabbage. Over here it's really straightforward. You don't have 10 dishes to choose from. They don't come to you with a tray of things. And a lot of locals are here, so definitely you need to just come over here on a weekend or your weekday day off, hopefully, because there are a lot of people. There's a huge line outside. Some people are waiting for about an hour.
Eating here about 30 years. Very fresh, very taste good. And the thing all are hot, fresh, very cooked.